June 16th, 2012, right about 7 o'clock p.m. I'm in Buckeye, Arizona, and have a look at this. We got ourselves one of these Haboobs moving in. And I gotta get out of here, because I don't want that dust to get in my airflow system. So, I'm out of here. Wow. This thing is huge. Hey, look right straight in the camera there, right in the middle. That's a Haboob-nado. See it? Oh, the telephone pole's in the way. There's a little mini tornado dust storm thingy right in the middle of the screen there. Oh my God. Oh God, it's coming too. Oh man, I hope I get home in time. Oh, it's right on top of me almost. I gotta make it home. I'm almost home. Slow down, Haboob. I'm almost home. You let me get in my garage? Can I get in my garage first before you slam me? Oh man, it's coming too. Oh, check out that guy behind me. Poor guy. I hope he makes it home. I'm almost home. Oh, look how orange it got. It's getting dark. Oh no. Oh no, get out of my way. Alright, I'll let you go. I made it. I made it. Woohoo! Lucky me. Hey, doggy. You better get home. Here it comes.